In this video, we're going to go ahead and review the triphasic goblet squat. Now, triphasic, we're going to go through 3 phases of motion. We're going to start with an eccentric phase, slow and controlled. We're going to hold at the bottom, which is our isometric phase, and then we're going to press quickly out of the bottom position, which is our concentric phase. So we're going to do an unweighted version first so that you can get the tempo. We'll start with a 5-second eccentric, 5-centric iso, or 5-second iso, and then a quick bound for the concentric. So if I'm holding the weight in front, we're going to start with a 5-second slowdown. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Back up to reset. Then you're going to drop quickly to the bottom position for a 5-second hold. 3, 2, 1. Back up. And then the last one, the concentric, down and up very quickly. So let's do this with the weight. I'm going to start with my feet next to the weight in that deadlift position. Clean the weight into the goblet hold, and let's start. 5 seconds down. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Back up. Drop. Hold for 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Up. And quick. Very nice. Doing that sequence is considered 1 rep of a triphasic goblet squat.